Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Millie, and if you're my old subscriber, hey gal, thank you for staying here with me. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you it's a very short video showing you how far we've come with our building process. If you don't know, we are building our dream house here in Denmark, and we're going to be moving into our home here in July. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you just a little bit of how far we have come, and then I'll make another video showing you again another part of how far we come next time. So enjoy this video, and if you want to see more about our building process, I'll make a video about the whole start and to the whole end of the building process, and maybe I can tell you guys how much it costs to build here in Denmark, how much the land costs to buy here in Denmark. If that is in interest for you, subscribe and then follow, and then you can see some of this video. Enjoy the video. Bye. This is our garage. And this is, Jan, what is this? No, this is our laundry room with a window. And this is going to be the entry. And out here is the small room for your wardrobe. You hang your coats when you come in. And on the left here we have, I don't know what it's called in English, but it's a small area we can keep all our groceries, rice, soap, everything. And out here is our kitchen with a big window, and I think around there we're going to have our fireplace. And is that the living room, Jan? Yeah. Over there is a living room with a big window, and that's gonna be a huge window. We call it sensor window, I think it's called. Relaxing window, and we can look out on to the sunset. I'll take you out here into our bedroom area. This is our bedroom, very nice. And in our bedroom we have a huge window, and then we're going to have a door there. And when you go on the left, you come into the master bathroom. Over there, we're going to have our, what is it called? Bathtub. Bathtub, yes. And if you go to the left here, that's where we have our shower area. And then I'll take you out where we have the bedrooms. The house is 180 square meter, I think it's called. Out here, from the kitchen, you go to the terrace, which is going to give us a good view of the sunset, as you can see out there. And we go back out here. Again, that was where you come in, and if you go on your left, you come into here is the guest bathroom. It actually looks bigger than no, it's not. It's not bigger. This is the guest bathroom, and we have a small window up there. Yeah. And when you go out straight here, there is a room, guest room, with a window out to the road there. And when you go out here, that's going to be Jan's office with a big window also. Yes. And when you come here, that's going to be my hobby room. This is where I'm going to do all my YouTube videos. I cannot wait. I have a view of the sunset. I have a huge window. I cannot wait, guys. So, guys, I just wanted to show you how far we have come. We'll be moving in July. So they're almost done with it, putting up the walls. I think the next step they're going to be putting on the tiles, the outer tiles. All right guys, thank you for watching. Bye.